방탄소년단이 진격한다면 어떨까?
Hello ARMYMOOs, BANGTANTV back with another video. For this video, we will be reacting to the Rainy Days official music video. Rainy Days? The sound of rain next to Tae's voice. My soul is gonna be soothed. I think this is gonna be a really relaxing song from him. Right away, we're already getting another music video. One after the other. We are checking them all off. Like that B. Will it sound similar to BTS's song Rain? I really love that song. If it has the same vibe, I'm here for it. Oh, Kim Taehyung. Thank you so much for all this music. I'm slowly figuring out which song is gonna be my favorite in his album. I don't know. There's quite a few to choose from. It's like we're listening to the album through all these music videos. Hey, let's go. How Rainy Days is described. In this track, V's voice melds beautifully with the sound of rain and everyday white noises, tugging at the listener's heartstrings. Definitely. His voice is gonna tug at my heartstrings. He does it to me every day of my life. Just his presence, his existence, my heartstrings are getting pulled. V's voice melding beautifully with the sounds of rain. Yeah, I'm gonna be so relaxed by this, I think. Especially when there's sounds of rain that's supposed to help you fall asleep. Is this gonna be like a lullaby? I bet. I don't know what the genre is, but I think it's gonna be a slow song. Similar to Love Me Again? Maybe? R&B? I don't know. We're already getting some lyrics here when you listen really carefully. Oh, I'm listening to. My ears are ready for you. Let's breathe. Okay. So let's watch the Rainy Days music video. Is it gonna be like a performance again? Or is there gonna be like a full-on music video? Maybe it's gonna be outside in the rain with an umbrella. I'm already visualizing all of this. Is his hair gonna be wet? Oh no. Okay, let's go. Let's watch. Let's go, Kim Taehyung, my bae, my bias, my love. Ooh, piano. Loops go wheeling. What? Wait. When you listen really carefully, loops go wheeling. Look at those eyelashes. They're so long. So many Tays. His hands. Cozy and stuck.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
He's always thinking about us. It's in English.
Right back to you. Rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
His voice is echoing into my ears. This look right here, he's still a boyfriend. He's in that hoodie with a shirt. In bed at home. It's It's like, so on a rainy day, you're stuck at home and you don't know what to do. He's alone thinking about us. Always thinking about us. Even in the last song. Oh, Taehyung. I love that piano. That's addicting. We love ourselves some piano. Like, as we're listening to these songs one by one, it's getting like, it's giving such a chill vibe to it. Listening to it. Nothing super upbeat yet. But wow, I'm feeling that chill vibe. He's so boyfriend. He's just chilling at home. And it's raining. Look at these outfits. They're just so simple but hot at the same time. Is he wearing sweatpants? Like, oh, maybe they're jeans. But dude, his messy hair. He just woke up from bed. So fluffy. So good looking. Oh, wait a minute. Is that Yeontan? That's Yeontan. He was just Yeontan. So much Yeontan in this album. Like, he's featured so much. I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Mood. Such a mood. Look at the V with the birds. Hoping for your call lately. I'll call you. I'm loving these outfits. Honey. Black and white. Switching between English and Korean so perfectly. The transition. Love it. Let's go back to Yeontan. Where does Yeontan come in? I'm loving his hoodie too. Such boyfriend vibes. You're just at home with Tae. And he's just being so casual. He would be so fun to hang out with. We could just talk about life. Relate to each other. Such a cool guy, Tae. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, amazing. Haven't changed. Always the same. I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the making music. Right back to you. It's like he's stuck. I'm thinking about he wants to find his way back to us, but it's raining so hard, can't go outside to meet us. Wow. His smile, yes, boxy smile. Remember how those I used to make you laugh the most. His voice got louder. Oh, artist. Did you see those veins on his hands? The glasses? Okay, my favorite look in this music video. He looks so artistic, creative, intelligent, and he's sculpting. It said Layover, his album name. But like when it switched up to this, his voice just got louder and prouder. More English. His pronunciation perfect. it's really improved a lot. Like when we heard the medley he did, the jazz medley, La Jazz de Vie, English songs, he's singing in English here. It's really good. His pronunciation. Yes. Just going back a little. Admire everything about Tae.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말 할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over.
He's the sculpture. He's the art.
Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy
Same.
days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the
I love
way
this.
right back
Bante!
to you.
Show off that art.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
Perfect proportions.
Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
He's really showing off his art here.
Rainy days like
It's animated. It came to life. Show the music video here. So beautiful. You can see his art everywhere. And Yuntan featuring in the music video. Adorable. He looks so sad. He's alone on a rainy day. At least he has Yuntan with him. His acting, his visuals. It's like we're in a K-drama here. Just watching him, I want to be there with him. He's thinking about us. Yeah, I just love how and at the end, with all his art, his silhouette, the lines, the outlining. What a perfect man you are, Tae. His animated painting. Shout out to Vante. Yeah, he has showed us his art before that he's painted. He's got a unique art style. Abstract looking. Yeah, abstract looking. And just all him. It speaks Kim Taehyung. Man. In this music video, we got artist Tae, boyfriend Tae, model Tae. We got everything. He's just sitting there with Tani. I want to hug him. I want to hold him tight. And just like tell him how proud I am of him for releasing his. Yeah, so many different looks, so many different styles, and just one beautiful, handsome looking man. He delivered. Yeah, going straight into Rainy Days right after doing Love Me Again. This is a really calming album to listen to so far. Yeah. Last one, it was a full-on performance with his mic. Now he's at home with Yantan. Like I said, V stands for versatile. So true. We saw it here first. We saw it here. What's the next one gonna be? I can't wait to listen to the duality. It's gonna be so fun. Or maybe we'll just have all the similar vibes to it. I'm loving his blonde hair. He stands out in every way possible. His stage presence and his presence. Anywhere he goes, he stands out. He is such a shining star. This is a pretty sad song. He smiled one time. But I think it's pretty sad. It's like that longing, lingering feeling, that prolonging feeling of being stuck in one place for long periods of time. And you're lonely. It feels empty. There's no one there with you. And you miss them. You want to be with them. Be with me, V. I will be there for you. Don't be sad. The rain will go away. It'll be clear skies. For you and me. For you and V. For you, me, and V. So this was it. Right away. V Rainy Days. Listen to this on a rainy day. It fits the mood. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching ARMYs and Kim Taehyung stands. I love you guys. We can fangirl over him together. We've been waiting so long for him. Taehyung stands have been starving. Everyone else released a solo, and we have to wait so long for him. But he has arrived. He has finally arrived for us. He's here now. He's here. So, celebrate. Kim Taehyung is taking over the world now. It's his turn. It's his turn to amuse us, to entertain us, to amaze us with what he can do. Thanks for watching. Bye. V.